What's up guys, Shaggy here. Today I'm gonna do this video in English, so brace yourselves, I would say. Nowadays on Curacao it seems as if for any little topic there should be a referendum. After some debating in the parliament whether matrimony of same sex should be allowed on the island, Ms. Giselle McWilliam came out saying the decision of matrimony between couples of the same sex should be decided by a referendum. Peeps, in my opinion, if there should be a referendum on every little small decision that has to be made by the parliament on the island of Curacao, why don't we just throw down the government and hold a referendum for every little small topics, like mom, should slapping someone on the island be allowed? I don't know. Good question. Let's take it to the referendum. Father, what is the best way to take out demons out of people?
You know, my son, they've taught me many things how to. But for the sake of this video, let's take it to the referendum.
Isn't the parliament based on the populace vote, which means that they're the one representing Curacao's nation? So if the decision turns out to be yes or no, it's most probably what Curacao would have wanted anyway, because that's what you voted for. I get it and I understand that Miss Giselle is trying to handle it in the most transparent way possible. But really, woman, referendum? Why don't you do a referendum instead on the fact that you want a referendum on the topic of gay marriage? Either way, guys, I'm not gonna give my opinion on matrimony in its entirety, but wouldn't it be awesome if we could just accept people the way they are and just, even though you're anti-gay or whatever you have between your ears, you just live without worrying about what they do or how they do, and just don't live their life and let them live theirs and they won't live yours. On another note, what's up with Mr. Valentina's punishment? He got like 9 years of punishment after his anti-demonic therapy. The judge gave Mr. Valentina 9 years of punishment and 14 years abstinence from his work. And he can still appeal on the verdict. Oh my God. The internet, of course, reacted enraged. Some said that the judge should get his dick cut and thrown at sea. Others said that we should go on a strike. On a strike? Really, bro? In my opinion, I think maybe they struck a deal with him, because this punishment sounds a little bit too good for Mr. Stick My Dick Into You to fuck the demon out of you. Maybe this apostle snitch on his fellow comrades? I don't know. Otherwise, the judge would have been more relentless, right? I don't know. These are questions and more questions and assumptions. But
let's take it to the referendum.
no, but really, Curacao, even though sometimes the parliament sounds ridiculous and things are happening on the island that I really don't understand, guys, know that I'm proud of you. I want to say really thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up or drop a comment down in the section below this video, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and as always I say give me a 2 and I'll see you in the next video. Alright, Shaggy.